making high-grade products with high-quality machines and manpower. That's how Singapore wants to grow its manufacturing sector by 50% over the next 10 years. Trade and Industry Minister Chun says the plan includes support for local companies and drawing top foreign investments. That's even as he says there'll be challenges keeping manufacturing at a fifth of overall GDP. Renan Chanoto with more.
Appreciate it.
Putting the manufacturing sector on track to grow at 50% in 10 years won't be easy. Trade and Industry Minister Chun calls it a stretch target, especially when Singapore will have a smaller workforce and find it more difficult to bring in cheaper foreign labour. He says that means the country will compete differently with a focus on quality.
We want to see a greater proportion of our manufacturing going into advanced manufacturing where the competition is not based on cost but is based on the intellectual property that we can generate. So it's no longer about cost of production, lower labor costs or lower land costs. They may still play a part, but they are not the key part of the competition. The key part of the competition is really how fast we are able to use data, use technology to innovate the product and have the production system keep pace to produce those products.
Speaking at a visit to Univec, a local precision engineering firm, Mr. Chan says one way to nurture the sector is to bring in some of the best foreign companies for the rest of the industry to follow. Another way is to support homegrown companies to find their niche in the global value chain through innovation or by making work more productive.
We need to revitalize at all levels, from the ground level whereby we have machinists. We want them to start operating a cluster of machines rather than one-on-one in the individual work cell. At the engineers level, we want them to move away from just doing process development, repetitive production tasks, get into more design, integration of work cells, and pretty much redesigning from the traditional labor-intensive processes to more highly automated, more integrated.
That's also why the government will do more to grow the local talent pipeline. It's working with institutes of higher learning to make sure graduates have the right skills for the industry. Companies and schools will also receive support to improve career progression and skills upgrading opportunities.